Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday and you know exactly what is happening on Saturdays. Today we are reviewing another balloon garland kit, but this time I am working with a company that I've never worked with before. The company name is DiaWiew. I hope I pronounced that right. If not, here's the name so you can see it yourself. I will dive really deep into this balloon garland. I will look into the quality, how many pieces, what's included, like usual, and I will try my best to give you my honest opinion on it. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video, and without any further ado, let's go. So this is the package that I received from DiaWiew. Let's open this up and see what we are working with today. First, I see this paper with instructions, then whole bunch of balloons in different sizes and colors. As I can tell, these are 5-inch and probably these are 12-inch balloons. Some of these balloons are regular latex balloons and some of them are pearl, like these three. And then this baggie over here, these are chrome gold balloons. Then we have a balloon tying tool, balloon strip to construct our balloon garland, glue dots, some curling ribbon, and these plasticky flowery things. Let me know if you ever use them. Do you like them or not? Should I try them or not? So let's construct this. I am curious. All ready to inflate my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Garland Paper and Balloon Company. The name of this pump is Zoom. If you're going to decide to purchase anything from Garland Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This code is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. Also, this code is valid only for your first purchase and if you're a new customer to Garland Paper and Balloon Company. Back to our kit. So this kit includes 105 pieces. We are working with 12 and 5-inch balloons. Our balloons needs to be blown and tied individually because we are working with balloon strips. So here is what I am doing. Inflating my balloon. As soon as I'm done inflating my balloon, I'm pressing my balloon against the floor to give the balloon more rounder shape, and then using my balloon tying tool, I'm tying a knot, and here we go. Just keep inflating. Let's go. Let me quickly show you how I know when to stop inflating my balloons. After inflating your balloon, if you see your balloon is taking this pear shape, that means you're overinflating your balloons with air. You need to let some air out until something like this, until your balloons looks round. Press against the floor to give more rounder shape, and you have one perfectly blown balloon. Yes, a lot of balloons, they do blow into weird shapes, and sometimes you can't even blow your balloon to a proper size because your balloon is weirdly shaped. I still deflate my balloons to the size where I can get perfectly round balloon and use whatever size I can get out of that weirdly shaped balloon. To construct my balloon garland, I am using balloon strip that is included in this kit. As you can see, this strip has two holes, bigger hole, a little opening, and a smaller hole. I am starting to insert my balloon into a bigger hole, making sure that my knot is completely through, sliding my balloon through the opening into a smaller hole, and letting go. That's basically all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. I like to insert my balloons on one side. I don't see a difference if you alternate sides or use just one side. I will be probably skipping holes once in a while. You might want to do this as well. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means you need to skip a hole to give your balloons more space. I will be kind of following the pattern. I will be inserting white, pink, and other colors in order, and then I will leave gold chrome balloons, 5-inch balloons, and maybe some of 12-inch balloons outside of the strip just to fill in spaces and build up my balloon garland a little bit more. Garland is on my backdrop. I like what I see. I like the shape. I simply tied my garland to my backdrop with a fishing line to my safety pins. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I show how I hang all of my garlands using backdrop safety pins and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. Pretty decent quality of balloons. They are a little bit on a thinner side. I didn't have any problems inflating them. Nothing popped or deflated on me. So far, so good. Now let's go and fill in spaces with our glue dots. Use more than one glue dot per balloon because you want your balloons to stay on your garland for quite some time. This is my final balloon garland. I really like the concept. Very interesting colors, but they do work good together. I like the quality of these balloons. They're pretty decent. None of the balloons popped or deflated on me while I was constructing or blowing my balloons. I am not sure about my gold chrome balloons. I don't like them. They blow into weird shapes and they're extremely soft and they are a little bit more difficult to work with. I lost one gold chrome balloon. I found it ripped in half even way before I tried to inflate them. Other than that, I had enough glue dots, but here's one more thing that I wanted to try. How about I will try to add maybe some flowers or greeneries and put my twist on this garland. So let's try. This is how this balloon garland looks after I dressed it up a little bit. I inserted flowers and some greeneries between balloons and it holds pretty well. I will link and list everything in the description under this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, you guys, give it a thumbs up. It's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and great ideas. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye!